Hey guys, you're probably asking, who am I? I'm a co-host of Behind the Duck podcast. I believe I'm an entrepreneur. I do MC events. My name's Rudy Pates. I'm a former Springbok rugby player. About a year ago, I had a lot of questions about what can I do, who am I, and what is my value? Until I got a phone call from Suitable Focus who wanted to help me in this process. And they've come along and managed my personal brand and just understanding value. And now I have a team that literally focuses on value and finding ways for me to do what I really want to do in life. That's to grow, take risks, and be as ambitious as possible. I'm a big believer in relationships, intense relationships, finding good people that see life through my eyes. Through a Suitable Focus, I find the right partners. It's not about the size, it's not about the impressive PowerPoint presentations, but it's someone that can deal with me. It understands my heart, my vision, and I believe I found a partner that can manage me and help me as we grow this relationship and both can grow together. So that is why I've enjoyed so much working with Suitable Focus. They've literally this past year helped me understand a lot more about the landscape of business, not just in my personal capacity, but also opening my eyes to what corporate South Africa and the world out there is all about. So it's been a journey that is continuous. We're still in our early phases, and I'm looking forward to a much better relationship with the 5 to 10 years to come. So that is why I've been a very happy client at Suitable Focus. Okay, take it from me, lekker mense en soort soek soort. Cheers.